Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. How are you? Let me know in the comments. I hope everyone is doing really great in their life and also in their journey of learning English. Right? So, how many years are you spending right now to learn this English language? Let me know in the comments. Okay? For sure, you are going to comment since how many days, how many months, or how many years are you struggling to learn this language? Okay, then. Now, let us see what is today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about what is the reason that is not making us to speak English fluently. Why are we not able to improve in our English speaking skills even if we are trying so hard to master this language? Right? There are so many people out there who are struggling hard to learn this language since years, since ages. Even then, they are not able to master it. Let us see 5 of the reasons that are stopping us from improving our English language skills. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. The first thing that I feel that you are not able to improve your English language skills is that you may be setting unrealistic goals. Yes, setting a goal is really important to achieve anything in your life, right? In case of speaking English also, it implies you need to set goals, okay? But the problem is that you are setting unrealistic goals. You are setting a goal that you need to speak fluent English within 1 month. You need to master each and every grammatical rule. You need to master each and every phrase. And you want to speak fluent English within such a limited time. Objection to all the graspers of there. Okay, there are some graspers, some brilliant minds there who can grasp each and everything super fast. But I am not a grasper. I am not very intelligent. If you are, then you can be doing it. But if you are not, and if you are a slow learner like me, please try to set realistic goals. Okay, frame goals that you believe that you can achieve them. Okay, don't set unrealistic goals. While setting goals, you need to make sure that you are breaking them into pieces, into small goals. Okay, then only you will be able to achieve this goal of speaking English fluently. Okay? The second thing that may be stopping you is that you may be learning too much. You may be dumping too much into your brain, right? Due to enthusiasm, due to the feeling that you need to learn, you need to become fluent in English within a very small time. What do? You will get all the resources in front of you and you will start studying without even knowing whether it is going into your brain or not, whether you are able to understand it or not. You are spending too much time on only this task. No, that is not at all correct. We are living. We are human beings, not robots. We need to see our family. We need to take care of our health. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to do our daily job. We have so many responsibilities. We can't skip them. We can't pause them. Learning English is a task that we intentionally added into our life. Only to learn English, we can't put all those responsibilities aside, right? So, why are you creating so much burden into yourself that you are spending a lot of time only into this particular task of learning English? It is not your whole life, right? So, don't get worried. Prioritize what you want to do after learning English. Okay? If you prioritize that one thing and set goals that you want to achieve, then without any burden, you will be achieving fluency. If you want to become a writer, read a lot of novels, okay, that you are interested, on which topic you are interested, what type of novels you want to write, what type of stories you want to create. Read more. If you want to just speak fluently, learn some beautiful phrases that impress people, or learn how to use your pitch, ups and downs while speaking. It is not that only when you are using wonderful words then only people will be impressed to you. I don't think so. Don't put your whole life into only this one aspect. Okay, take care of other things also, and don't try to spend each and every second of your life only into learning English. Okay, take care of everything around you and try to include English in the things that you are doing. Okay, for example, I can't skip cooking to watch a video, right? So instead of that, what I can do while cooking, I can listen to a podcast, or while cooking, I can use that time to think in English. Okay, in that way, you need to bring English into your life, but you should not take your life into English. You should not turn the tables. It is not good to you, and also you will not see any improvement by doing this. And the next thing I feel that is stopping you from learning English is that you may be lazy. Okay, the quite opposite of the second one. Yes, some people are very lazy that they won't even spend at least a hour on learning this particular language, but they want instant results like this. How is it possible? Tell me, friends, if you are not putting at least some efforts, you can't achieve this fluency. So take care that you are spending at least limited time focusedly, okay, on learning English. You need to do exercises, you need to give work to yourself, that you need to speak for this half an hour, that you need to read for this half an hour, like that you need to give time to yourself. Okay, please follow the timetable, it may be helpful to you. Okay, it is not going to be burdensome to you, and also at the same time it is not going to waste your time. I am saying it is waste of time because most of the time what happens is that, let us take the example of reading an English book. You are going to start reading a book. I am damn sure that the first 15 minutes or the first 10 minutes of starting of reading that book, you will be very conscious. But later on, eventually, your level of interest is going to reduce. Okay. So, the remaining part that you have spent on actually reading that book is a waste. Right? So, you need to take care that you are not being lazy, and at the same time, you are not wasting your time. The next thing that is stopping you from improving yourself is that you need access to everything 100% free. Right? There are some apps like Cambly, like Preply, that are not free of cost. You need to pay and you need to improve. Right? So don't think that by learning a language you need to get everything 100% free of cost. Right? For example, to watch this video, you are spending rupees, right? You are not getting free of cost. My video is not free of cost to you, right? Because you are paying that bill. You are paying that recharge bill, right? So please accept that you are not getting 100% free of anything, and you can't learn or you can't achieve fluency 100% free. Okay, there must be your effort. You must be ready to spend money also if in case you need it. Okay, if, for example, if you want to excel your English speaking skills so that you are going to pass IELTS test or TOEFL, then what you need to do, you need to take a class in Preply or Cambly, which is actually very high, right? The charges are very high because you will get experienced English tutors there. So you need to reduce your expenses and save the money so that it will be useful to improve your English speaking skills by taking classes, one-on-one classes with them, right? So you need to make up your mind that there will be some day that you need to spend money on. Nothing is 100% free in life. And the fifth thing I think that is stopping you from improving your English speaking skills is that you may be not giving enough time. Okay, in a hurry, due to enthusiasm, you are not giving enough time to it. Okay, try to give time. Everything takes time. You need to involve in it, but you should not force yourself into doing it. Okay, you need to enjoy this process. What I want all of you to do is that instead of thinking how much time it will take, just think about how to enjoy this learning process. This will be very useful to you. So these are the 5 points I wanted to tell you if you are not seeing any progress in your English speaking skills. Okay, and in the iCards I am going to provide you a wonderful video that is going to help you a lot, and if you watch that video you will get a clear cut idea on what to do in your next step. So that is all for this video, friends. See you soon in the next time, and I would appreciate it if you click the like button, share it to your friends and family members, and subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.